You are not running out of time. You are giving it away. Seneca saw this almost 2,000 years ago. It is not that life is short. It is that we waste most of it. An hour disappears into the glowing feed. Then another, then the evening is gone. We guard our money like it is sacred, and spend our days like they are free. No one will hand back a single afternoon, yet we give them away by the 100. We live as if the years were endless, always saving the real living for later. Later, when things finally calm down, but while we postpone, life rushes past. Waiting for tomorrow, we lose today. The present is the only thing you own. So put down the phone and look up. One ordinary day, fully lived, is enough. Read the book, call the person, walk slowly. Time spent with full attention is never wasted. Life is long if you know how to use it. The hours will pass either way. Decide today to spend them well.